is Vaishali for Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers, and right now I am here with Indian Oil Corporation. So sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Like I'm JP Mishra, I'm Deputy General Manager Gas from Indian Oil Corporation and from the gas group in the Business Development Department.
Sir, Indian Oil Corporation is mostly about petroleum, right? So why are you here at Green Mobility Expo? How do you support green mobility?
Actually, you know, like Indian Oil is India's largest company, and we are doing a lot of measures for the promotion of the green energies. And you know, this Indian Oil is a major player in the natural gas business also. So we are like supplying natural gas to many sectors, industrial sector and other sectors, including the automobile sector. So Indian Oil has recently, along with the Tata Motors, has developed the LNG truck, the liquefied natural gas truck, where in place of diesel or CNG, the truck can be operated using LNG. So the benefit of LNG truck is that, because what happens, you see, you have very rarely seen the trucks having CNG fuel truck. So what happens, the limitations is that lot of the weight of the cylinder is very high. And so the payload of the truck gets come down. So to avoid that, and every filling only around 200 kilometers you can move using CNG. So these are the limitations. You know, the truck move very high kilometers per day, around 500 to 700 kilometers per day. So if the fuel is of only 200 kilometers, so it will not sustain. Therefore, there is no, the truck owners are not interested in natural gas. But if they have the LNG truck, so in a per filling, the truck can even move up to 800 to 1000 kilometers also, depending on the size of the fuel tank. So what happened, LNG, 1 liter of LNG is equivalent to around 600 liter of gas. So even storing around 200, 300 kg of LNG in a vehicle, on the vehicle, your truck can go even up to 1000 kilometers. So you are promoting the natural gas fuel, which is a green fuel, very clean fuel. It promotes environment, and at the same time it is cheaper also, it is economical also, and these are the benefits.
So thank you for the knowledge about LNG. Like even from being engineering, it's the first time I'm hearing about LNG, right? We were already heard about CNG, and CNG vehicles are already there in market. So as you already talked about some limitations of CNG, is there any other reason CNG is not that much popular between the public?
Basically what happens, it is popular but mainly in small vehicles, and basically CNG is more and more for the intercity transportation. But the intra-city transporter between the two cities, what happens, one city is having natural gas availability, other city don't have the natural gas availability. So the moving between two cities is difficult. And what I have told you, the CNG is stored at a very high pressure, that to around 200 to 220 bar pressure. So safety wise also it is a little problem. Therefore LNG is the solution for all these things. You know, in China more than around 3 lakh vehicles are on the road having LNG fueling, not CNG. So we are trying to switch over from diesel to an LNG.
So when are you launching that truck?
Yeah.
When are you launching that truck?
The truck is already on the road. The Tata Motors is already operating that truck, and around 15,000 kilometers it is already run. And the bus is already, I think 2 months back, our Honorable Petroleum Minister has already launched that bus. You can see that bus here. It is being launched on 8th November, and that truck is from 2015, already on the road. So now it is on the development phase. After around, I think 6 months time, Indian regulations are also being framed by the government of India.